Welcome to the world of transforming text into engaging videos. With the power of technology, you can now convert your written content into dynamic visual stories that captivate your audience. Discover the easiest way to create professional videos, especially designed for teachers. With intuitive tools and AI capabilities, crafting engaging content has never been simpler. What video will you create today? Explore various plans tailored to meet your needs, whether you're just starting out or looking for advanced features. Our flexible pricing options ensure you find the perfect plan for your video creation needs. From starter to enterprise, there's a solution for everyone. Dive into the features available for different user levels. Whether you're a solo creator or part of a team, enjoy unlimited voices, video minutes, and more. Begin your video creation journey by selecting a project type. With options like mind maps and checklists, organizing your ideas is a breeze. Choose from recent projects or start fresh with a new video type. The platform offers a variety of templates to kickstart your creativity. Explore the diverse video creation options available. Whether you're crafting tutorials or promotional content, there's a template to suit your needs. Select a template that aligns with your vision. With numerous options, you can easily find the perfect fit for your project. Effortlessly import video files to enhance your project. Integrate various media types to create a rich and engaging experience. Capture your ideas with ease using the recording feature. Whether it's voiceovers or live footage, recording is simple and straightforward. Quickly access your recent projects and continue where you left off. The platform ensures your work is always at your fingertips. Craft your script with precision using the text-to-video feature. This tool helps you transform your written words into compelling visual narratives. Generate a video from your script effortlessly. With advanced AI, your text is converted into a polished video ready for sharing. Preview and edit your video script to ensure it meets your expectations. Fine-tune every detail for a perfect final product. Enhance your video with stunning visuals and graphics. The platform offers a library of elements to bring your story to life. Incorporate dynamic elements to make your video more engaging. From animations to interactive features, elevate your content effortlessly. Customize your video with a variety of effects. Tailor the look and feel to match your brand and captivate your audience. Choose the right format for your video to ensure optimal viewing. Whether it's widescreen or square, select the best option for your audience. Create a brand for your video that resonates with your audience. Establish a consistent style and message that enhances your storytelling. Add elements to your video to enhance its appeal. With a range of options, you can personalize your content to stand out. Thanks for watching, and if you found it useful, please like, subscribe, and comment below. Select the perfect video format to suit your needs. Whether you're sharing on social media or presenting in a meeting, choose the format that fits.